Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you another way that you can flip your stimulus check into more money. Now, if you've been following my channel on any level, matter of fact, even if you saw the intro of this video, you would know that people are making money from YouTube, right? YouTube has become the ultimate side hustle for thousands, maybe even millions of people at this point, right? So maybe you been thinking about YouTube or heard about making money from YouTube, and maybe you just feel like it's too expensive to get into or whatever. But if you got a little bit of this, stimulus, $1,400 stimulus, right? And you don't need all of it. Why don't you use a part of it, right? Put it into starting your own YouTube channel that will allow you to create multiple streams of income. But one way, for sure, like a guaranteed way that you can start making money from YouTube, right? Check it out, is you can buy a monetized channel already, because a lot of people make their YouTube money from, right, the ads that pop up on their videos and basically YouTube ads, right? But if you're just starting out with YouTube, right, a lot of people get turned off because they want to make money from the YouTube ads, although that's just like one of the many ways you can make money from YouTube. But a lot of people, they jump into YouTube and they're like, yo, I want to make money from YouTube ads. Once they get going, they realize, like, yo, you got to have 4,000 hours of watch time. You got to have 1,000 subscribers to even get, even to get looked at to be a YouTube, have YouTube ads on your videos, right? So how you can flip this is, there's places you could get where you can buy monetized channels already. You have to pay for them, but they're already set up. They're ready to go. All you got to do is start creating your content. Now keep in mind, you got to create content once you get the monetized channel. It's just not going, you know what I'm saying? Now maybe, let me say this. Some places you can get channels that are already making money, right? But you want to keep adding content over time, because yeah, it can constantly make you money, but eventually, you want to start adding your own content. So keep that in mind. But that is a way you can basically turn that stimulus and then turn it into a passive income that can last for years and years and years, guys. So if you ever thought about, making money on YouTube, this is a way to get started by doing that. Now, one place that I'll recommend, I'll put a link below. Just look below and say something like "Get your own YouTube channel." You can buy YouTube channels there, right? They're anywhere between $300 and $400 for one monetized channel, right? So you gotta just do your due diligence, look at it, email them, ask any questions you got, whatever, and you could be set up within the week. Have your own channel ready to make money, right? So think about that, guys. If you can, create more income off of this $1,400 stimulus, why not? You know what I'm saying? Now, when it comes to YouTube, and you've seen the intro of this video, right? How find out how YouTubers are making money, blah blah blah. beatoolboss.com. That is a legit course, right? That is a legit course that not only teaches you one way to make money from YouTube, 2 ways to make money from YouTube, 3 ways to make money from YouTube. It teaches you basically every way that you can make money from YouTube, even by not even being on camera, right? You do not have to be on camera to be a YouTuber. A lot of people get that confused. There are several different ways that you can make money from YouTube. Not only that, you don't have to make money from YouTube ads. A lot of people make way more money, right, using other methods from YouTube. So you can turn this stimulus check, if you're willing to invest. If you feel like you need this course, you can. Maybe you don't. But if you want to just use the course, right, at beatoolboss.com, and just learn all of these techniques, guys, that can make you thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. The course will teach you that. Whether you do it or not, that's on you. You know what I'm saying? Whether you listen to the course, that's on you. But it's a legit course. I have it. I looked at it. I've used it to actually make money for my channels, obviously. And you could do the same thing. I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how you can flip that stimulus check and you'll get your money back over time, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Everything I said, all the links is below. Check it out. Get started. Don't take my word for it. Look and see it for yourself. All right. Give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.